Here's an old song, man, written by Tony Joe White. It was really recorded famously by Brooke Benton back in 1970, who was a great singer. But this song I can remember, you know, when I was real young, laying in bed, and you listen to the radio station when the radio stations played all kinds of music on the same station. But anyway, this song is one of my favorite songs. It's called Rainy Night in Georgia. Hovering around my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain a falling, seems I hear your voice calling. It's alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia. It's a rainy night in Georgia. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Neon lights flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. Distant moaning of a train seems to play a sad refrain into the night. It's a rainy night in Georgia. It's a rainy night in Georgia. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Sometimes I wonder, still turns out the same. No matter how you look at it or think of it, just gotta do your own thing. Oh, yeah. Found myself in a boxcar. I take my old guitar out to pass the time. Late at night when it's hard to rest, I hold your picture to my chest, and it's alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia. It's a rainy night in Georgia. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Oh, all over the world. Yeah, all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over. Whoa.